What?
What?
Don't you hate it when you capture the perfect moment, but the camera frame cuts off the best part? Monimaster Video Extender, your AI magic video expansion. Blazing fast, no pro editing skills needed. Blazing fast processing, lossless quality, and total creative control. Cinematic results. Turn narrow clips into cinematic masterpieces. Seamless and natural. Flawlessly matches lighting, texture, and motion for a 100% authentic look without any glitches. Step 1. Navigate to AI Extend Video of Monimaster Video. Upload the video you want to extend. Step 2. Input the video extension prompt to tell Monimaster exactly what to imagine beyond the frame. Select your desired duration and hit Create to let the AI magic begin. Step 3. Refine and share. Review your extended masterpiece in real time. Make any adjustment until it's seamless. Disclaimer: this video is just a tutorial for educational purposes. Please use AI-generated content responsibly, and never for malicious impersonation or harm. Unleash your creativity with Monimaster Video. Go Monimaster Video now. Expand your vision with AI today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.